Guys, I did it again. This time in Union, Kentucky. This time in the middle of a pandemic. I've saved another deck that was on its deathbed. This deck built out of 2x6s, alright? The 2x6 is so weathered that any other contractor would have been pull them off there, replace the whole floor. Right, just extremely weathered. I saved this bad boy. It's beautiful. It's beautiful compared to what it was, where it was. Let's take a look at it. Check it out. Bad time of day. This is the back deck. There's two decks here, okay? Floorboards here, 2x6s. Now this is all still wet, so you gotta forgive me. And bad shadowing right now because of the time of day it is, but lattice. Fixed the lattice for them all the way around on this. If you guys go back in my post, you can see how badly weathered this deck was. It was full of leaves, full of furniture, full of all that stuff. Look how stunningly beautiful it is now. It's crazy beautiful. I can't take you guys up on there because it's still wet right now, but it just turned out great. It's tougher than nails. We got super thick coats in here, elastomer in the joints, water locked all the joints on this. You can see joints up in there are water locked. This deck is completely water locked. And then a little bang for my customer's buck. She had a front deck and it has a couple boards on it that needed replaced, and lattice on the back side of it that needed done. But front deck, boom. Front deck's done too. It's beautiful, pretty color. All these floorboards, you can see the deep grooves in that floorboard there. Been there for quite a while. All these boards have super build on them, so that's four coats or more of elastomer. All the lattice is back up. Fixed all that. I had two pieces down here that we put in new. Look at that deck. It's gorgeous. That deck is gorgeous compared to what it was, man. Guys, I'll show you the pictures. I'll probably tag them on this video. I'll show you what this did look like. I'm sure there'll be plenty of before and after pictures. Look, I use thick elastomer to coat decks and to make them strong. And the reason is, basically in a nutshell, that dude right there, the sun, it destroys everything on the surface of planet Earth with UV rays. The reason we do elastomer, the reason we do thick build, is because it's just simple. It's just simple logic. It takes it longer to break down super thick coatings. So if you're going with something like really thin that doesn't have any stretch, the sun is going to bake it to death. It's not going to have any stretch, so it's just going to crack, right? And then it's going to peel. We don't do that with decks. Go up here on this end. Super pretty. Check that out. That deck's super pretty. All high build coating. High build, high stretch. All the way around on this thing. Ready now. I got to get some pictures and get out of here. You guys want to get a quote to get your deck restored and get a lifetime deck coating? I got you covered. Go to picktime.com /Kong Armor to get a quote for the toughest deck armor paint system in the nation today.